What up, ladies and gentlemen? Today I took 3 trades. It should be, they are 3 wins in my book. It should be 2 wins and 1 loss, but I will go over those. They were very good trades overall. Still in profit on the day. Didn't give back all my profits, but I definitely could have been better. Now, starting off the day, let's mark out these SMTs because they have a pivotal factor in this trade. Slide, one slide. All right. So going into the day, I was very bearish overall. I'm expecting to see lower. Why? We have a big sell-off right here with this big SMT, right? And we're in a big hourly imbalance. Now, all I'm waiting for is to see a kind of like displacement continuation to confirm we're going to go lower. Because I do believe we're going to go lower, and this is probably our standard deviation measure. So we're chopping right there. But that doesn't matter. Also, we are in search and destroy profile. London took Asian high and low, and New York took London high, expecting London low. So I'm very bearish overall, but I am waiting. I'm saying if this imbalance gets ran, I do think we see higher. If this imbalance holds, I do think we see lower. So now zooming in, we continue to take these internal highs. We took buy side. We continue to take these internal highs without displacing through them. So I'm very bearish. This is our most recent 5-minute swing low right here. And so to confirm this standard deviation, well, I guess there's like standard deviation here, because this was a manipulation move, and this was a manipulation move. So I was watching this standard deviation here. I didn't realize this one was here. But so I wanted to see a closure below this low to confirm that standard deviation and confirm we were going to go lower. So instead of I know some people enter here, right? Because this is your first imbalance, but I personally think this is too soon. It's not too soon if you're targeting this low, right? If this is your model here, this is a fine entry to target this low. But the thing is, you take that low right away, so it becomes invalid in my opinion, less probable, very invalid. Now, where's my entry come into play? My entry comes into play because I'm confident we're going here, right? I see this as buy side, as this is sell side of the curve, this is buy side of the curve. This is how I'm seeing this. This is our top, this is our bottom. This is London low right here. This kind of messes me up a little bit. So once we get this huge sell-off, we don't take any pivotal low in here, and we also inverse the 5-minute. Hi, Penny. Penny, you guys stay back, girl. Do you see Penny? Hi. I'll be done in a second, okay? Let's get your eye bookers out. I'll be done in a second. But we do inverses at the same time. The main one, right? This is my main fair value I'm watching. So when we inverse those and create a bullish one or bearish one. So this is where I smack my entry right here, smack a short right at the touch. Let's see, I'll show you my, yeah. As you see, entries right there. But you want to see, and I wanted to see this right here. These were the 2 lows I was expecting. So this is the trade right here. I think, yeah. Because then I sold that one at break even. Yep. So this is the trade right here. I was expecting to see London low. Should have sold every contract. So I entered 3 cons, sold 2 here, had 1 waiting for London low. Because I knew we were going to go to London low. I just didn't know when. And it's okay. But you know, I see I catch a quick 30 points. This one gets stopped at break even, a little under break even. But so this is the first trade. Really wait for the super confirmation that we are going to go lower. That's why this was a 0 drawdown trade, straight to the buy, straight to the overall draw. I shouldn't expect this low because what is the model? The model is this right here. This low isn't a part of this London low is not a part of my model that I am trading. So if that makes sense, like I'm trading this model right here. You shouldn't even notice London low. So I should take everything off here. And it's also at a standard deviation level, so I'm expecting the rebalance after that. So that is the first trade. That is a win, right? Very good trade. Now this next trade comes when so when you hit standard deviation, you expect to rebalance to equilibrium. Look what we do. We do act really well at standard deviation. We come back. Now this trade here should have been secured profits, but I fucked up. Let me tell you, I fucked up. So this is our internal low, right? So what is the setup we're trading now? This is a 5-minute imbalance, right? Yeah, it's now a 5-minute imbalance. So the low-hanging fruit is this low, not London low, Wyatt, not London low. So now my next entry comes once we inverse this because I'm like, okay, we came up, we retapped, starting to sell off, we're getting selling pressure. I want to enter on this inverse and secure my profits. So I enter like here, I think. And I should be targeting this low. This should be my trade right here. This should be my trade. What does my trade actually look like? This. I have both profits, or both take profits here at this London low. I was fiending for London low. It's a problem. I was fiending for London low. So I should have at least secured one con here because this is the model. Internally, this is the model I'm trading. I keep targeting these super external lows when that's not what I'm trading. As you see, higher time frame P to array, sell side, buy side taken. You can see the buy model inside of this sell model. As you see, come up, take buy side, sell off, take the low. So I should have been secured profits there. Another thing that's wrong with that trade is I didn't wait for the 2-minute closure. The 2-minute closure tells you everything. But so that's that trade now. Let's clean this up a little bit. So here's the final trade, which was a loss. This time I'm really expecting London low. This is a fine time to expect London low. Now, what am I waiting for? We're up here accumulating. ES is way down here. I want to see a change in some state of delivery, and I'm kind of entering off anything. And that's what I do, which is a problem right here. So we get this change in the state of delivery, right? We've been chopping. We finally get some displacement down. So I smack a short. Like, didn't have a good fill at all. Yeah, probably the worst fill ever. Yeah, that's embarrassing. Terrible fill. So this is my fill, right? And this is my stop. This is terrible. So this like that. I should be like this. But so this is the trade. And I want to see us go down. We end up running straight up, taking internal one more time. But there's a reason for that, and I missed that reason. So as you see, I wanted to see why is this reason not, why do I get stopped out? This becomes a 15-minute fair value. The 15-minute opens up. That's why. Key phrase there. So I end up getting stopped out there. Then we come and take London low. I was the sell stop. I was the sell stop raid. I wonder what it looks like on a lower time frame. It's another question for another day. But that is the overall there. So I should have waited. And I don't think there really was an entry though, because you finally come up, take it one more time. You either enter there or wait for selling pressure, then enter. And think that's the last time you're going to touch that. Something like that. And overall, so we do end up completing standard or search and destroy model. Overall, those are 3 wins on my day. This is just bad entry here. It's still a win in my books, just a bad entry. Need to be more patient. Don't think you really have that good of an entry though. Maybe, probably like somewhere here you might get an entry, but not a big deal overall. We're going into FOMC. We've just kind of been chopping. Very successful day for me. I gave back a little bit of profits on that loss, but I still secured some on the day. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Also, join my free Discord, link in the description. Thank you guys so much.